Tower, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, holding short runway 23, IFR departure.
Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, Lafayette Tower, fly runway heading, climb maintain 4000, runway 23, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 4000, runway 23, clear for takeoff, 9er Sierra Foxtrot. Here we go. Ready?
Yep, and toes off the brakes.
Goes off the brakes.
You can advance it a little faster than that, you good? Everything's good. And push up. There you go.
There we go. Full power.
Full power. Instruments
a lot
are
of rudder.
in the green. Yeah, it's a lot of rudder. And rotate.
Rotate.
Yep. 90 knots.
90 knots.
Flaps up.
Positive rate flaps are coming up. Sorry, say again, the 9er Sierra Foxtrot.
Contact Grissom first for 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
Yeah. Over to Grissom, thanks, 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
Cirrus 9 Sierra Foxtrot, 5.5 miles from Beals, turn right heading 290, maintain 2,600 till established on the localizer cleared, ILS runway 32 approach.
290, maintain 2,600 till established, cleared the ILS. ILS 32 approach, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot. Champaign Tower, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot is on the ILS 32.
Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, Champaign Tower, wind 160 at 10, runway 32 right, clear to land.
Runway 32 right, clear to land, 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
So right now I'm flying with Josh, but you can't see him right now because this camera unfortunately decided it didn't want to record us. Anyways, we did this flight to go into some actual IMC since I had just gotten my instrument rating, and he was also going to let me have a go at landing the SR22. So it was quite the interesting experience. Anyways, I'll let you keep watching.
Can I get one push nose down, please, trim?
Pull it back a tad, maybe to
500.
500 feet above.
Down, trim here. Yeah, click a nose down, trim, please.
Yep, sorry.
Thank
and
you.
coach it back a little bit to the right. We're drifting off to the left a little bit.
Hey, 100 above here.
100 above, and you're going to hold 950. Till we see anything. And
Minimums.
I got
Minimums.
lights.
Runway lights inside.
Left, so we can. And got threshold, so we're good. Keep it coming down. We're about 80 knots.
Holy shit. Should I start backing the power off a little bit?
Yep. Actually, power is pretty much out. So you can then start pulling back. Pull back a little more, a little more, a little more. Oh, there we go. Yeah, good. And don't just let it roll, let it roll, let it roll.
Okay.
Ease off brakes, yeah. Let it roll.
Wow, dude.
That's the lowest I've ever done. Yeah, I saw the lights in the threshold. You needed those things, you needed one of the many things you could see. But yep, got the lights and the threshold. That was
I was
great.
sorry to put the power in.
Oh yeah, you're good.
We're in the crew car.
The power.
Got food. Say hi, Josh.
Oh yeah, hi everybody.
Wow, look at this. Pancakes came with the omelet, and we got blintzes, strawberry blintzes. Got the toast.
Toast.
It's got a Western omelet with gravy, and I got a vegetarian omelet with chicken. Okay, we're gonna enjoy this. And then don't forget, we got the hot sauce, which is gonna go on the pancakes. Nope.
On the pancakes.
Just kidding.
Take your hand and lead you to the I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no.
Time to head back out into the soup. Okay, well, maybe we can like say hi to the camera.
Maybe. Hello, camera.
Hello. We're back with Josh again. We're in his SR22, and we took it down to minimums. That was crazy
Cherokee
stuff.
14 Whiskey, turn left heading 060.
This is my first approach in actual, so,
Left, 060,
and in a
14
different
Whiskey.
airplane.
Yeah.
But a very experienced guy in the right seat here, so we were plenty safe. I was ready to go around.
Yeah.
The ceilings back in Lafayette are higher, so we're just gonna shoot an approach until we break out visual, and then try and do a visual approach, or just do a circling approach and circle to the runway with good winds.
True.
And we leaned it back, so we're at 5,000 feet. We're doing 180 over the ground, 150 true, and only 11.8 gallons. So this thing is going really fast.
Flying machine.
Yeah, it is. IFR is fun, people. Get your instrument ticket.
Yeah.
It's worth it. This stuff is awesome.
Worth it. As we're flying above the layer right now. Pretty cool. Probably all day we'll see, the only time today we'll see the sunshine, probably.
Yeah.
And back in Indiana.
What's your engine like TBO? Like how close are you on the engine hours?
39.
You're at 39 hours new?
Cirrus
After overhaul?
Foxtrot, contact Griswold approach 123.85.
Over to Grissom 123.85. Thanks. Cirrus 269 Sierra Foxtrot.
You just got an overhaul?
No, it's due. 2000 is TBO.
Oh, so it's close.
Yeah, it's close.
123.85.
Grissom approach. Good afternoon. Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot. Level 5,000.
Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, Griswold approach, Lafayette Air altimeter 2980. Expect ILS approach to runway 10 and flight taxi current.
Okay, we'll expect the ILS 10, and we have information X-ray 369 Sierra Foxtrot.
Okay, let's go. Procedure. Enter. ILS 10. We're gonna do.
And then we're 9 Sierra Foxtrot, turn left heading 050 vectors ILS 10.
Left heading 050 vectors for the ILS 10, 369 Sierra Foxtrot.
Yeah, get that on procedure.
See what the circuit minimum there? It's like 1110.
Is 801.
801.
Yep.
Oh, you want the ILS ones?
Oh, wait, we're doing circling. Yeah, it's 1160. Sorry. Yeah, circling 1160.
Activated.
Sierra Foxtrot, just a heads up. The wind, it's still pretty windy out there. We've had aircraft have to circle to runway 23.
That's what we're doing.
And about 40 minutes ago, there was a report of a 5-knot gain, short final runway 23.
Roger that. Yeah, we're gonna do the ILS 10 and circle for 23. 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
9 Sierra Foxtrot, Roger. I'll let tower now.
Thanks.
All right.
Okay.
We'll see. I don't know if I may end up doing the lane.
Yeah,
We'll
yeah.
see how bad it gets when we get down there. So we'll see what it is. Because if it's bad,
Yeah.
for your second landing in a Cirrus Gustin 2-3 like 5-knot gain, that would be great.
That would be
We
great.
want to make it one piece. So.
I mean, I'm ready. I'm ready for it.
And Grissom, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot would like to see if we can start a descent soon.
9 Sierra Foxtrot, I saw your descent here in a couple miles of airspace.
For spacing, okay.
Roger that. 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
Makes sense.
9 Sierra Foxtrot, 5 miles west on approach 6, turn right heading 070, maintain that above 2,500 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 10 approach, then circle 23. Those instructions will be with the tower.
Okay, right turn 070 above 2,500 till established, and clear the ILS 10, circle 23 with the tower. 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
There we go. Tower is 109.6. Let me get that in there.
Thank you, sir.
November 9 Sierra Foxtrot, radar service is terminated. Remain on net squawk. Contact Lafayette Tower 119.6.
Over to Lafayette Tower. Thanks, 9 Sierra Foxtrot.
See the switch.
Bam, there you go.
Lafayette Tower, Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot on the ILS 10, circle 23.
Cirrus 369 Sierra Foxtrot, Lafayette Tower. Report commencing circles for runway 23.
Report the circling for 23, Sierra Foxtrot.
Give me a little nose down trim, please. It's not
that working?
It's not working anymore.
Let's pull that throttle back too. Yeah. Back to about 20%. Below 15, maybe? We're going at with speed.
Wind 200 at 11, gust 20.
Altitude.
Alright.
Altitude.
There we go.
Here we go. Lafayette Tower, Cirrus 369, Sierra Foxtrot. The ceilings are at 1,700 feet.
Cirrus 369, Sierra Foxtrot, roger. And insight, runway 23, clear to land.
Runway 23, clear to land, Cirrus 369, Sierra Foxtrot.
Let's head that way.
Yeah, start the circle. I'll just keep the pattern altitude.
Yep, and keep it about 100 knots. Keep it at 15 and 100 knots. 1500 feet would be good.
Okay, flight director off. Load hamper coming off. Should I give me like 2 clicks of that?
And I'll probably do this plane thing if that's okay with you.
Yeah, that's okay with me.
Okay. Alright, let's take the controls here.
You have the flight controls, sir.
I have the flight controls. Alright, comps, boost, yep, everything's good. Jesus Christ.
Nicely done, buddy. I'll do the radios.
Cirrus 9, Sierra Foxtrot, turn right, Bravo 4, and say parking.
Right, Bravo 4, we're going to be going to the T hangars. 9 Sierra Foxtrot. Okay, I'm going to give it to you here. You have the flight controls.
Oh, okay, okay, I have flight controls.
Yeah, man, I don't want to bump a T hanger here.
Very good.
Were you happy that I was taxiing?
What?
No, you seemed very sad when I told you to take the controls.
Oh, no, I was just like, wait, what? I was like, yeah. No, I'll be fine, I'm fine.
Oh, shoot, now I gotta...
Oh, now
Now I gotta deal with the free cast rings.
No. Been dealing with it all my life. That works.
Bam. Let me know when you want it. There you go. Love that. Peace.